Hello, my name is Mayra Reyes, and at this time we have an assignment that is to give our reaction to the movie Front of the Class. This is a very inspiring movie that if you haven't watched it yet, I really encourage you and recommend you to do so. This movie is about the life of Brad Coyne, an American who suffered from Tourette syndrome. Tourette syndrome is a nervous system disorder involving repetitive movements or unwanted sounds. It appears to be very common in the US. The treatment can help, but this condition cannot be cured. It is a chronic syndrome that it can last for years or be lifelong. What causes Tourette syndrome? The exact cause of this syndrome isn't known yet. It is a complex disorder, likely caused by a combination of inherited and environmental factors. My reaction to the movie is I can see that it hurts me so much to see people with disadvantages having to double their efforts to achieve goals. But watching this movie really, it is very inspiring and gratifying. I wish everyone will see that in our own ways, everybody is different. A very interesting question here. How are people with disabilities seen and treated in the US society? In my opinion, nowadays society is better educated about how to respect and treat people with disabilities. There have been many advancements in medical care. As a result, most of these individuals reside in the community rather than institutions and depend upon community-based private practitioners for oral health care. Now, my takeaway. We have learned a lot watching this movie. One thing is that there is no limits when you really want to achieve your goals. And always be there for your children and loved ones. One more is, if others work hard, you work harder. And the last one, be who you really are and do not be ashamed of it. Thank you very much.